Knowledge is wealth. Knowledge is necessary for all. A man with no knowledge is unable to live in our world. Many lose our money. Someone may steal it, but we never lose knowledge, and nobody can steal it. Knowledge is required to judge good things and bad things. A man without knowledge is called a man without vision. A person is judged by his knowledge, not by his money or appearance. Knowledge gives us the ability to think in different ways. A person with knowledge can solve a problem easily than with a person without knowledge. Knowledge is light. This light does not become dark. Always it gives light to you. This very great rich man come to get it, great man wants it. Knowledge is the best of all wealth. Knowledge from books is very important. We have to study many things. Book also give us knowledge. If you find difficulties to understand our teachers, explain them. School lessons are very good to improve knowledge. Newspaper reading gives us more knowledge. Knowledge is a wealth. Thank you.